Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the CSS table decorations. So by getting late, let's get started. First, make a table. Here I'm making a table. I'm giving the T head. TR is the row. And TH is the data. Something like name. I'm just copying the lines. This is the T head. Now I'm gonna make the T body. This is the TD. It means table data. I'm gonna name it my name. Post developer. Salary 20,000. Okay. Just open with live server. This is the CSS table. Now I'm giving a border to it. I'm making another row here. Just copy it. Paste it here. This will be the border. It's the table border. Now, if you wanna make it border collapse, you can make it collapse. Just like border collapse and collapse. It is a single line border. You can make it. No, you can make it any color from changing here, making it red. Looks good. Now I'm changing the background. I'm giving some class here. First tier. This is the first tier. I'm giving it a class. Tier 1. First, this is the TH. The background is orange. You can change the color also. I'm giving the border black. This is the tier 1. I'm taking a tier 1. Background blue. And what is missing? I forgot to give a dot here. This is the class, so you have to give a dot. It won't, otherwise it will won't work. You can change the color also. Color white. And I'm taking the tier 2. Don't forget to give the dot. And this is the last one. So it looks great. This is how you can design a CSS table with these colors, and we'll continue in our next video. Thank you.